Hello YouTube, here I am again with an awesome video. I'm about to do this amazing haircut, so please watch till the end for some special tips. Push that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, because sharing really is caring, and I love to care about everybody. So I'll see you in the next clip, okay? Alright, so as you see here, we are doing a flat top, and I'm not using a guard on my clippers, so we're just going straight up the hair, up the head, taking it as low as possible, and blending it. Now, if you need to start with a guard just so you can blend it up gradually while you're learning how to do this, sometimes that's easier to do, starting with like a 2 guard, then a 1 guard, and then 0 guard. It helps if you're just doing this for the first time for blending purposes. Then you just take the flat top comb and you over direct the hair. Make sure you don't follow the curvature of his head. I like to do this on dirty hair, so if they've got product in it already, that's great. He's pretty easy to do because he's had a flat top for quite a while already, so his hair's trained. If their hair is not trained, you might need to like wash it, blow dry it all up, and put just a lot of product in it. It's the easiest way. My girl Karen's in the back. She's also a hairstylist. So if you need some silk presses done or anything, you can hit her up. Get her info from down below. Email me and I can give that info to you. If you're getting value here, please push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. He's got a perfect head for this haircut. Perfect. When I first started doing this flat tops, it took me like 2 hours to do a flat top. I'm so glad it doesn't take me 2 hours anymore. And I'm just cross-checking my work. Now for the top. Now there will be some times that I use my pinky just to balance my hand a little bit. I either place my pinky on their forehead or on the side of their head. See how my pinky is? even if they have cowlicks, if you use the product, like I like to use Defy, a really hard product in their hair to make it stand up. And then I usually shampoo it after I'm done with it all. I hope you're getting lots of value from this video, and like, subscribe, and share if you think someone can learn something from this. I love doing flat tops. So, what do you think, guys? Leave a comment below, please. Thank you for watching.